You should avoid pouring bleach down the air conditioner condensate drain line unless the manufacturer specifically allows it, but diluted white vinegar is generally a safer periodic treatment for controlling algae and slime. Air conditioning condensate drain lines collect water that can support algae and bacterial growth, so the most effective routine is preventive maintenance rather than frequent heavy chemical use. Start by flushing the drain line every 3 months with about 1 cup of white vinegar poured slowly into the access point or overflow pan. Let it sit for 30 minutes so it can dissolve organic buildup. Then follow with plain water to clear residues. Use a soft nylon brush or a flexible drain brush to gently clear the access point if visible sludge is present. Avoid metal tools that can scratch plastic or copper and create corrosion points. For stubborn blockages beyond the access point, use a wet vacuum on the exterior condensate line outlet to pull debris out while someone pours water into the overflow pan to dislodge material. Consider installing biocide tablets designed for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems in the condensate pan for monthly control, and always wear gloves and eye protection when handling any chemicals. If the system uses components with aluminum or sensitive seals, check the equipment documentation first because some cleaners can degrade sealants and coatings. Common mistakes include using bleach without checking manufacturer guidance, which can corrode metal components and ruin rubber seals, so avoid bleach unless the manual permits it, and you are certain the drain path is all non-reactive materials. Another issue is overusing concentrated chemicals, which can create residues that trap more debris. Instead, use diluted vinegar or manufacturer-recommended products and flush with water after treatment. A third frequent concern is neglecting regular inspection, which allows small clogs to become full blockages. Set a recurring quarterly reminder to inspect the pan and drain line and act promptly on any slow draining. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare pros by project type, so we can connect you to people who handle drain cleaning and air conditioner maintenance. We also help contractors find work and grow their leads. And our site includes a discussion community where we and other members share tips and experiences about maintenance methods and product choices.